The last thing about recommendations is it's never too sort of early, never too, especially in your senior year, it's never to get started as early as possible in your senior year and ask people, okay? People generally, once again, it's a big deal to write recommendations, okay? It's actually a pain, okay? And someone's writing you a recommendation, they're doing you a favor in many regards, okay? So the sooner you start, don't wait and expect the person to sort of stay up all night and write recommendations for you. Don't ask them 3 days before a deadline. Ask them sooner rather than later. And they are doing a favor for you. That's the reason why I tell people, help these people out. They may not remember all the details of you. They'll remember your name, that you did well, but they won't remember, or they don't know other aspects of your candidacy besides what you did in a particular class. Help them out. A 1 or 2 page summary will make a big, big difference. And when you read a lot of recommendations, you can tell the difference between people who have a lot of substance and people who ask someone from a teacher or a counselor or somebody else who just did something, who didn't have a great relationship or had maybe been so long ago that they don't remember the details of what they did. So help out your people who are writing your recommendations, okay? And do not be afraid to ask people. It's actually an honor when someone asks to write a recommendation. I tell people, yes, it is difficult and it is a pain and it takes a lot of time. But when you ask someone to write a recommendation for you, it's actually an honor, okay? And they should put the time and the energy and effort into writing a really good one. But people have busy lives, they have problems in their lives, and you have to give them the time. You have to give them enough time for them to write a really good recommendation for you. So give them the time and give them the resources to do it, and they should write really, really great recommendations for you.